So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that today we have seen some correction in Tata Motors mainly because of certain updates are there on this particular stock and also the global factors where today the market was also in little correction phase. So what will be the next possible targets? We'll try to find out that today how the stock has traded. We'll see how much deliveries have been taken. So everything we will discuss. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so one of the major reasons, so primary reason is we know that the new CEO who was going to get appointed will not be joining, and the previous person, the managing director and CEO will continue as the CEO till June 30, 2021. So this is one of the first reason. So what is the second reason? So second reason, you can see that few brokerages have degraded Tata Motors. So you can see they have maintained a sell call and they've given target price as 241. So it may not go to those levels. Clearly it will not go there. So just they will try to degrade because of various factors, because it told that already the stock has shooted 70% and it is seeing that some downside may be seen roughly around 20 to 10%, and also it is suggesting about earnings before interest and taxes. So these are the major reasons provided by them. So nothing to worry about this particular stock. This is a good stock for long term. Only thing is that when you find any sort of correction, just you need to find the opportunity to invest. Okay, so if we see how the stock has traded today, you can see roughly 86 lakh shares have been taken as deliveries, and you can see 4 crore shares have been traded. So trading basically happens on the same day. That's why little volatility will be seen in the stock, but percentage wise you can see it is roughly around 17.45. Decent, not that great. So it is very efficiently maintaining the 300 rupees level. It is not going beyond that. It is fluctuating between the regions of 303 and 305. So little flat sideways movement is seen, because whenever any stock, we know that it shows any continuous uptrend, it tries to go sideways. So that is something healthy movement, I tell in all my videos. So basically that happens only to give an opportunity for us to add for long term. Okay, so if you compare with the previous days deliveries also, we can see that time also roughly 14%, 8%, 18%. So those were the various ranges of delivery. So that is pretty good, because it is not a highly deliverable quantity stock, but that too not least. So moderate deliveries will be taken. So especially during correction time when market is in little downtrend, so that time it is an opportunity. So many people feel it attractive and they buy at that particular levels. So previous levels what we have discussed were 300 as well as 293. So from 293 it has given the considerable retracement and it is respecting the 300 rupees level also. So what would be the next target and all, we'll try to find out. Okay, so we are back onto the technical chart. So you can see currently it is trading near 303.65 and it is down almost 1.72%. So the candle which was formed from the downtrend, so you can see a little inverted bearish type of hammer was formed. So after that continuously the stock has fallen. So after that I told keep this moving average, which is 50-day exponential moving average, from where it was showing the considerable retracement, and now again it is trying to move little sideways. So again I'm telling the same support which we need to watch out for the future is 293 as well as 300. So why you need to hold for long term? Clearly I told potential is present. So electric vehicle segment is running, so anything may happen. So manufacturing will start, so many cars are under Tata Motors, and also scrappage policy will benefit this particular stock because new vehicle generation would be required, and we know Tata company cars are most economical and also most favored by many people of India. So that is why it has potential. Because why they are telling overperformed, why it has given that much returns? Because quality as well as demand both are indicted in it. So that's why it is showing that particular momentum. Obviously when any stock shows heavy movement it will correct, but we need to find the opportunity. So market is also little volatile. So if you're doing any intraday trading or swing trading, so be little cautious, take less quantity and then only do the trading, because when volatility is high, stop losses hitting is also maximum. Okay. Okay, so next when we discuss about money flow index, so you can see money flow index is near 38, so that is also moving flat. Okay, little accumulation type is seen, so definitely focus on the levels. So when it goes to oversold, it is again a double confirmation present at the levels, and also going to oversold region is little positive for the company. Okay, so in 1 week chart, you will find little interesting things. So first thing is that the 50-day exponential moving average is coming closer to 200-day exponential moving average. So what happens when 50-day exponential moving average crosses the 200-day? That is called extreme bullishness case. So whenever a small moving average is cutting a large moving average, so that is technically a bullish indication. So in weekly chart basis also, you can see from 350 it has continuously corrected and it is forming a pole and flag type, but you can see the base level that we have seen is 300 rupees. So that is the base level for that. So again, we need to watch that 300 very carefully. If you are holding it for a certain period of time like swing, or either it may be long term as well, so try to watch those levels very clearly. If you want to average also, clearly I told 293 is the best level. Okay, so in this, if you see the money flow index also, it is near 73. So from the overbought region, it has slightly settled and it has come a little bit down. So let the market also settle a little bit. So then only try to buy in heavy quantities. Till that time, wait and watch, keep cash in hand. So that is also very good strategy. I'm not telling to not at all invest, try to invest in portions. Let's say 20%, again next 20%. So like that, you can accumulate this particular stock for a long term. So basically we discussed 1-2 supports as well as next immediate resistance. So that is also important. So resistance wise, first resistance that we are seeing is 315. So 315 is the first resistance. After that it would go to 325. So these are the near term resistances and near term supports. So basic downfall was mainly because of the CEO appointment and also due to various brokerages and the global factors. Because of market was also in little correction, little volatile, so that's why the stock has also shown some correction. So these are only the main reasons. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram to clarify your doubts. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT, so you can clarify there. So until then, take care. Bye bye.